I think I got a redfish up here on this little shoal, these rocks right here. Yeah. Got him on the Mirrodine. The magic Dean. You can't see it, but you ought to see this blue tail. That's gorgeous. Looking for the bite up here in the Chassahowitzka this afternoon. There's a little rat red. He's 16. Ooh, pretty little fish up here in the skinny. All right, buddy. See ya. Dead loggerhead turtle right there. Been up there floating for a while. Yeah, it's a shame. Well, I got something on. I didn't even know what hit it in this little pocket right here. Can't tell if it's a redfish or what. I think it's a redfish, a small one. Or maybe he ain't so small. That's what it is. No, look at the size of this trout. I got him. Hey, I got him butt hooked. This is a nice, this is a slob trout. 22. Maybe even 23. Ooh, gotta check that old boy out. Look at that thing. Well, there's a pig speck, 21, and he was croaking a minute ago, so that makes it a male. Oh, another double fanger. That's Trout Dracula. He'll make you bleed. All right, big hog body. See ya. I think I got another trout on. Yep. Back in the old creeks. Another nice fish. Look at the size. Another good one. About, I'm gonna give him 21. I might, yeah, let's just stick with that. Using on what I call my magic Dean. It's a little number 17 Mirrodine. Nice fish, not nice trout ski. Another 21 inch speckled trout. Mr. Yellowmouth. Hey, that's another double fanger. All right, buddy. See ya. Well, fish on. It's a ladyfish too. Sit here right in this pothole right here. The old leaping lady on the magic Dean. I wonder if I can count that as a slam today. Yeah, I got a fish on. I think it's a redfish. Throwing this little rock pile around this island here. Throwing the old Mirrodine. The Magic Dean. There's another one with him. Small fish, about 16 or so. Yeah, I like throwing over these rock piles. All over the place in here. He might be 17. Yeah, he's gonna go 16. See how light they are out here? This bottom out here. Kind of a real light bottom with lime rock chunks out here. Alright, buddy. Catch you on the flip. Another redfish on. Look at this rock pile. Look at all this lime rock I'm over. It's a nightmare. Man, there are redfish all over this place today. This one's about 20. Yeah, every bit of it. On the old Magic Dean there. 19-inch redfish. He's croaking. He's a croaker. Pretty fish out here on this light rocky bottom. Alright, buddy. Catch you later. Another redfish on. Got on the other side of the island. Oh, another fish with him too. That's just another cob. 16, maybe 17. I like 16. That old flashy Dean. I just put some red hooks on it this morning. I guess they like those critters. Make it 15. There's a bunch of mullet out here swimming around. These old reds are hanging around them. A lot of bait out here too. I just did a water temp just a few minutes ago. 66.6, and I'm outside about a half a mile. There's another good one. See ya, buddy. There's a leaping lady. I had old school of them come after the bait this time right off these rocks. Another fish on. This looks like a ladyfish. It might be a trout. No, another ladyfish. Pretty good little leapers. That's a pretty good size one too. Yeah, well, it's the winter time. I'll take anything. It's whacking a Dean here. Oh, good. I like that. See ya. Something on. This might be a trout. Just getting back here inside in some of these deeper creeks, deeper holes. It is a trout. Boy, the Dean is smacking these boys today. That's he's 18. Yeah, 18 at least. 17-inch speck. Oh, got a double finger. He ain't croaking though. That's a nice fish though. Heading towards sundown sometime today. Alright, see ya. This one got a little bit more size to it. This might even be a trout. I think it is. He's not a big one, but he's smacking the old Mirrodine. He's, how big are you, buddy? He's 12 inches. Heck, I'd even give him 13. All right, nice. Actually, that's a little 14-inch speck. He's not croaking. Must be a female. Just a one fanger. Pretty yellowmouth. Up back in that hole right there. Oh, we might get a better sunset tonight. Just too many clouds again. Just out here in Parsons Bay.